In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form in Card and understand Freeverse Pro submission settings. Let's start inside the Card editor. Open your website and navigate to the exact section where you want the contact form to live. This could be your hero area for quick inquiries, a dedicated contact section for a clean layout, or the footer if you prefer a minimal look. Positioning matters because it guides visitors to reach out at the right moment, so choose a spot that supports your page's flow. Now look to the left toolbar. Click the plus icon for Add Element and select Form. Card will drop a default form onto your canvas. You'll see it appear with standard fields so you can immediately visualize how it fits within your design. Before you tweak the text or rearrange anything, pause and focus on the Settings panel on the left. In the Settings panel, you'll notice a label that says Requires Pro. This is important. It means that while you can place and style the form on the free plan, actually sending emails from this form is not available unless you're on a Pro plan. Think of the free version as a design placeholder. The form can look perfect on your site, but it won't deliver submissions until Pro features are enabled. Here's how it works for Pro users, even if you're not on Pro yet. Under Submission Settings, a Pro user chooses how the form sends messages. This is where you define the delivery method so that when someone fills out the form, their message goes to the destination you expect. You'll select the appropriate option and fill in any required details for that method. It's the key step that turns your form from a visual component into a working inbox bridge. Once those submission settings are configured, click Done, then Publish. Publish pushes your changes live so visitors see the updated page. On Pro, that means the form is fully functional and ready to receive messages. On the free plan, Publish still updates your site, but submissions won't send until you upgrade and complete those submission settings. To recap, place the form where it makes sense for your layout. Add the form element, check the settings panel to understand the Requires Pro label, and know that Pro users enable message delivery in submission settings before publishing. If you're planning to upgrade later, you can design and position everything now, then simply return to submission settings when you go Pro and publish to activate it.